she got a 7 LPA package. If you get the job by yourself also, still you have to pay them their fees. Friends, welcome back to our channel Learn with Gigs. In this video, I will talk about one of the biggest scams going on in the data science, data analytics industry, which is pay after placement job guarantee schemes. I will be sharing with you one live proof of a person who got recently affected with this kind of scam. So watch this video completely till the end and do like this video as it will help to reach more people, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. So if you are a fresher or a person with a career gap, these kind of institutes attack you all only because you are desperate for the jobs. You have financial problems, right? So that's why they target you, and because their schemes are so much attractive that you get attracted towards it and eventually get scammed. Now let's talk about what is pay after placement scheme. So basically they will tell you that you will be trained under them for a couple of months. After that, they will prepare you for the interviews, they will prepare your resume, they will prepare for your mock interviews, and at the end they will place you in a particular company with a decent salary. And once you start getting the salary, you have to pay them their actual fees, which is eventually in lakhs. So since everything starts for free, you get attracted and you just, without thinking about anything else, without thinking about the kind of agreements or contracts they force you to sign, you just sign it blindly and start taking the learning from them, either virtually or offline. So I hope you understand what is pay after placement. Now let me share with you a real-time recent experience from a person which I told you in the starting. So this person is basically a connection on my LinkedIn. He reached out to me because he was desperate for a job from the past couple of years, and since he took this pay after placement scheme, so he told me about this, what actually happens in the real time. So firstly, you can also see on the screen, they will say it's a 6-month course, but actually what will happen, it will be completed in 10 months. So you can see your 10 months are gone because you will be keep on learning and practicing throughout these 10 months. Nothing will be happening for you. So see, this is the first loophole. Now you can see, once the course gets completed, you have to crack one exam, one internal exam that they set. And once you clear that exam, which is actually very tough, once you clear that exam, they will create a batch for 3 months. So your 10 months gone, then plus 3 months, so 13 months overall is utilized till now. Now in these 3 months, as you can see on the screen, they will prepare you for the mock interviews, they will help you in the resume preparation, and you can see the person has clearly mentioned hardly any mock interviews happen. So you can see actually what happens, you will be desperate for the mock interviews, but nobody will be taking it, again creating frustration inside you. Now let's move ahead with the next thing. Now you can see he has clearly mentioned, once you have got the package, 5 LPA package, then you have to pay them in return. But actually what happens, you see the next line, you have to sign the ISA, which is income share agreement, and according to that, even if you get a 3 lakhs or 3.5 or even 4 lakhs LPA package, you still have to pay them the money. You still have to pay their entire fees, and these agreements you would have already signed in the starting. Right then you can't do anything, you have to pay them. Now read the last line of this chat, very important. If you get the job by yourself also, still you have to pay them their fees. See, this is so frustrating. You will be so much demotivated because you did everything on your own, but actually you have to pay them their fees because you have already signed all the agreements, all the contracts. Another important story of a person I would like to add over here, which is also very practical, very genuine, which is that she entered into this particular kind of institute, she got trained, she did everything to clear their internal exam, she took a few mock interviews, and at the end she got placed. But what happened eventually? She got a 7 LPA package. So now you will think, okay, what's wrong in this? She got the 7 LPA package. The problem is that she got placed in a different industry. She got placed in the as a customer support executive. So learning something related to data analyst and getting placed into customer supportive. So you can imagine the kind of game they are playing with the freshers, and since they got placed, so they fulfilled their agreement, now you have to pay them their fees. So ultimately you have to pay their fees, so you will accept the offer and work. So who won at the end? These institutes. Who lost it? you. Now let us understand one more thing. When is the time of paying them their fees? What happens? They start calling you again and again with different numbers. They will email you with legal threats. They will do everything to force you to pay them their fees. Otherwise, you will face a lot of consequences from their side. So the pressure is insane on you. My point was to make you aware about all these things that actually happen in the market. And I believe many of you would have gone through these kind of experiences. So do comment it down so that other people also get aware about these kind of things going on in the market. You will help the data community. You will help the other people to save their money. Thank you.